I came across a new way to become a 100,000-aire in 6 months. This ad by Nolan Johnson appeared in my Facebook feed a couple times, and I decided to look a little deeper into this operation. I've already broken down Amazon automation in this video where I detail why it's basically a scam for most of these business opportunities. But today we're going to learn about a new opportunity. We'll get to the 100K a month opportunity in just a second, but I have to give you some free game first. In the ad, Nolan Johnson lets us know how easy it is to make money online. Buy for $50 and sell for $100, all on Walmart. Forget Amazon, that's the old way of automation. We're moving on to Walmart. Thousands of times every single day. I want to make it very clear to you guys how easy it is to do this. You find products that sell for around $50 online, and then you sell them for $100 on Walmart. No need to worry about Walmart's 15% cut, refunds, ridiculously tight profit margins, nothing. The ad says no risk too. You coordinate thousands of transactions every day with 2 times markup, and there's no risk. Why in the world is Nolan trying to let us know about this secret Walmart formula that can guarantee huge returns? Walmart only allows 1 seller account per household, duh. There's no way around this, I guess, even though the automation gurus could easily create new LLCs, but that's not the point. Here's another post, Walmart automation, 35% margin selling products for a company that's notorious for giving super low prices to consumers. Somehow we're gonna find a way to make 35% on each sale and 65% ROI on a system that doesn't have any risk. How could I possibly say no? I looked more into Nolan Johnson to see what kind of entrepreneur we're dealing with here. He has numerous products and runs NXJ marketing. I decided to look up a totally honest review on YouTube of one of his courses and found this completely honest review from Travis Porter.
Hey guys, my name is Travis Porter and I'm going to do an honest review on the High Ticket Cash Flow Secrets course from Nolan Johnson and NXJ Marketing.
We'll come back to this video in a second. First, we need to check out Nolan Johnson's LinkedIn. Oh wow, who is that on the side being recommended to me? Well, it's Travis Porter. His previous employment was VP of Sales and Marketing for NXJ Marketing. Wait a second, that's Nolan Johnson's company. He was VP of Sales and Marketing. That YouTube video wasn't an honest review. I feel scammed. He worked for NXJ Marketing from November 2018 to April 2020, and the review video was posted on April 12, 2019. Let's check out that video again to see if we can spot that it's not an honest review. I couldn't tell the first time.
After buying the course, I didn't want to split test a bunch of products, so I reached out to the NXJ staff and they showed me all their high ticket offers, and
this is an honest review of Nolan's product. He made me a lot of money. I made $41,532 last week from his system. My business is on autopilot because of Nolan. My recommendation is for you to buy Nolan's system. NXJ Marketing has changed my life for the better, and I have no affiliation with NXJ Marketing at all, and I am not reading the script. All of these honest product review YouTube videos are all staged. They typically will include affiliate links in the description. I wonder if there was any conflict of interest with Travis being the VP of sales for a company selling this product. We're going to check out another way that internet marketers build a mirage of being uber successful. You pay someone on Fiverr to write up a rags to riches hero story with a catchy title, and then pay random websites to host your blog post. Let's check out this post, How Nolan Johnson Created Fortune with Sales Funnels Strategy. This looks and sounds like a totally legit publication. Nolan Johnson's story begins in Hancock, Michigan, where he was born in 1992. Many years had passed before he realized how to make money and approach people in the digital world. Nolan wasn't one of those highly successful people who made millions out of nowhere. He carved the path very patiently, and today, he is one of the biggest influencers in digital marketing and sales funnel matters. Since he didn't want to do traditional approach methods of convincing people about some products or services, he made a different decision. He created the sales funnel methods that change the way we see online marketing today. Does anyone believe these blog posts? Not one paragraph reads like it's written from a credible writer. It sounds like fan fiction written by someone who speaks English as a second language. Maybe someone from Fiverr or Upwork? NXJ Marketing is a digital company that is on the pace to be a $10 million company by the end of 2020. If you wonder how a 27-year-old entrepreneur can make a multi-million-dollar company from scratch, just take a look at the story of this young man and discover why social media and Facebook ads have such a potential to grow one business. I don't even need to try and convince you that these blog posts are paid for. Just read them, they sound comical. Here's another article with the same image and same terrible grammar. Interest in learning the vast, growing, and widespread internet popularity. He had been able to drive the company from 0 to million in just 12 months. It was a remarkable dream for every entrepreneur where most of the businesses had never been able to achieve such a success in a short time. Okay, I'm moving on from these hype pieces that read just like a template. One thing you'll find with internet marketers is they're always creating new products and systems to sell. One year they're a drop shipper, one year they're an Amazon automation guru, the next they know Forex. Nolan is the same way. He's an expert in every area. He has a new Amazon automation system to sell you. It's because they run through the entire potential market with Facebook ads and all of the targeting, and then need to create a new system to get your attention. He started up a store for his YouTube channel and posted the first few weeks for us to see the master behind the scenes. But he coincidentally stopped posting after he passed the beginning stages of selling a couple items. But don't worry, Amazon automation will make you plenty of money. On the sales pages, watch our team grow your store up to 100K a month in sales. Just sign up, it's no risk. Oh, wait, that's the Walmart automation that's no risk. I'm getting my automation opportunities confused. This is the easiest way to make 100K a month. Just sign up and let them do all the hard work. What's the catch? What's great is his As Seen On section includes every large news publication, and yet there's no indication that he's been on any of these. If you type in his name or company name with any of the news publications, the only one that appears is Yahoo Finance and is another clearly paid for blog post. If you analyze testimonials for internet marketers, what's interesting is most of them won't mention anything about success. It's very nice and easy to follow, a good course especially if it's the first time you are building a funnel. I don't feel overwhelmed anymore by the idea of creating my own funnel. You've made it so simple. My assumption is always that most testimonials for internet marketing products are either fraudulent or they're given by someone who just completed the course. What I found funny is one of them is Travis Porter, who we've determined works for NXJ Marketing. Wayne worked with Nolan at Enagic Kangen Water MLM. Already all testimonials have to be questioned. And then I found these same testimonials elsewhere. These exist on a deactivated ClickFunnels page for Evan's Black Box business. The testimonials are the same template, but the name of the course changes. There's Logan's Black Box as well. Given the emails on the page, it's just an alias for Nolan's business. And then I found them also on workwithbrian.click. Brian seems like such a nice guy though, because he's given away this super profitable system for only $197 when he should be charging almost $5,000. I generally stay away from websites like Ripoff Report because every business, even the best ones, are going to have one or two angry customers, but this review did sound like there was some credibility. First of all, the course itself was on jaysblackbox.com. I hadn't heard anything about a Jay character in the ad or the webinar sales page. I figured out why later. The course is a bare bones overview about finding a high ticket offer, creating a webinar around the offer, building a page on ClickFunnels to host the webinar, and running Facebook ads to the funnel. When I say bare bones, I mean it is nothing but a few hastily slapped together 3-minute videos. Need to find a high ticket affiliate opportunity that converts? No problem, Nolan, or was it Jay, has you covered. He instructs you to just go to Google and search for an affiliate offer. Sounds like a pretty empty product. What this author says next was pretty shocking. First, you get to sell a water ionizer at $5,000 each to earn the impressive commissions touted in the webinar. Second, you get to sell the exact same course to others in order to build a downline who will sell water ionizers for you. That's right, I could be the proud owner of Jordan's Black Box and convince other people to sell the recommended product too. There's one catch, of course. To qualify to sell the recommended product, I have to buy the product first, and it costs $5,000. Otherwise, I'm on my own. Jay assured me this was not a pyramid scheme. What Nolan figured out is that there is a way to make big money in MLMs. According to this paid-for blog post on Yahoo, in 2013, Nolan decided to quit his job and join network marketing until 2015. He had his biggest month at only $800 and ended up having to go back to corporate America in 2015, where he worked at Quicken Loans for 2 years. He was only making $800 per month the hard way, but he found out the real way to make money in MLMs. Run Facebook ads targeting people who like Ty Lopez or MLMs to a webinar. During the webinar, you pitch a make money gold mine system where people buy your product and then they make money selling the system. It's not a pyramid scheme, of course, but your customers sell their customers access to this same system, who will then sell their customers access to this system. What does that sound like? I found one of Nolan's webinars for his black box system, and he makes sure to mention in the webinar that most people want to sell you a system.
Most people want to sell you a system instead of actually teaching you the skills, and the skills are what you actually need to earn income.
But then he proceeds to sell you on a system using phrases like a proven process and how to set up a cash flow website we use to generate high ticket sales on autopilot. What he's describing is literally a hands-off system for you to make a lot of money. Nolan is a good example of what internet marketing is. He's not a scammer in the sense that he's delivering a little system that some people may have some success with, but he uses really shady marketing and sales tactics to sell you the products, and he makes it sound like it's so easy to make so much money with his systems. The internet marketing pyramid scheme is basically what Nolan sells with his two products: direct sales secrets and high ticket cash flow secrets. Most people do not have the credentials to sell some high ticket coaching or a high ticket product. What happens is they generally turn around and sell the same system to their customers. They'll run Facebook ads to a webinar and sell you on a digital product, and then the customer will run Facebook ads to a webinar selling a similar digital product, and it never ends. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to all my awesome new Patreon members.